Now come to our next question, question number 3 of exercise 4.4. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove? Okay, a rectangular mango groove means the mango groove is rectangular in shape. Okay, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its width? Okay, twice its width means condition is given to us, means condition of this length is given with respect to this breadth. Okay, so if the condition of length is with respect to this breadth, means we have to suppose this breadth as x. Okay, because breadth is also not given to us and length is also not given to us, but what is given to us, length is twice that of this breadth. Okay, so if we suppose breadth as x, then and only then we get length. Okay, so length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, and we have to find out the length and breadth. Okay, so this is our rectangular mango groove. Okay, if its breadth is x meter, okay, if its breadth is x meter, then what about the length? Obviously its length is what? Twice of the breadth, means it is 2x meter. Okay, and area of this rectangular groove is given to us. Okay, so what is given to us? Suppose that first, okay, suppose let the breadth of rectangular mango groove be x meter. Okay, let the breadth of rectangular mango groove be x meter. Okay, if the breadth is x meter, then and only then we can take length as twice of the breadth. Okay, so we have to suppose first that what breadth of the given rectangular field be x, and therefore the length is equal to what then? 2x meter. Okay, so breadth is x meter and length is 2x meter. Okay, again what we have to given the area of? Okay, the area of the rectangular groove is 1800 meters square, means area is given to us. Okay, so we get breadth and we get length, so area of the rectangular groove is, therefore write down the area is mentioned here, and that's why we have to take area. The area of rectangular mango groove, the area of rectangular mango groove is equal to, okay, so what is the area of rectangular mango groove? Means rectangle length into breadth. Okay, so write down length into breadth. Okay, so this is the area of rectangle. Okay, our mango groove is rectangular in shape. Okay, so area of rectangular mango groove is what? Length into breadth, which is equal to, length is known to us 2x into breadth is again known to us, it is x meter, and which is equal to 2x square meter square. Okay, so this is our area of rectangular mango groove. But see, in example area is given to us. Okay, area of this rectangular mango groove is given to us, it is 800 meters square. Okay, and therefore write down here, according to the question, this area is equal to nothing but our 800 meters square. Okay, means this 2x square is nothing but our 800 meters square. So write down, according to the question, 2x square is equal to what? Our 800. Okay, this area and this area are similar. Okay, obviously, because 800 meters square is the area of this rectangular mango groove, and this 2x square again area of rectangular mango groove, means this area 800 meters square is nothing but our 2x square. Okay, so according to the question, 2x square is equal to what? 800, and therefore divide both side by 2, we get x square is equal to 400. Okay, after dividing 800 to 2, we get 400, and therefore taking square root, write down here, taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus under root of 400, and therefore we get x is equal to plus minus under root of 400 means 20, root 400 is 20, and therefore again we get two values of x is equal to 20, or we can say that x is equal to minus 20. Okay, but here see, x is nothing but our breadth. Okay, x is nothing but our breadth. Okay, and we know very well dimensions must not be negative. Okay, they are always positive, and therefore this x is equal to minus 20 is not possible because it is negative number. Our dimensions are always positive, so therefore x is equal to minus 20 is not possible. possible because dimensions cannot be negative. Okay, therefore x is equal to minus 20 is not possible because dimensions cannot be negative, and therefore x is equal to 20 is the breadth. X is equal to 20 is the breadth of rectangular mango group. And therefore x is equal to 20 is the breadth of rectangular mango group. And therefore what about the length then? And therefore 2x is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to x is equal to 20 meter. Okay, because dimensions are given to us, but their unit are in meter. Okay, but their units are in meter, and therefore 2x is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter is what then? Is the length of the rectangular field. Is the length of the rectangular mango group. So this is all about our question number 3. Now come to our next question.